G'day guys, on this 2008 Holden Astra, it's also a Opel Astra with the washer combination switch. As you can see here, previously some time ago I've made videos about these cars where everything's designed, or many things are designed to brake. You can see here they've engineered this to brake. Okay, now I have, as habit, loosen the torque bolt under here, release this column, loosen the two Phillips heads shown there and there. They've got two little covers on them. Okay, they've got two little covers on them. And then just loosen this. Now, if you can do it without it, that's fine, because I'll just show you something. Okay. Just a note before I finish the video, on reinstallation, beware of the positioning of the rubbers, and you don't want to snap the other stalk. I like to do it like this. Now, this just pulls out. If it's too tight, use something like this to get it out. Now you can see here, this is now optional. I can't go gluing these things, because if it breaks off in a storm on the freeway, I'm going to be in deep shit. You can see this is a safety issue. This should have been a recall, like half the repairs out there. You can see there how it's designed to brake, like many things on these cars. Just candidly saying, I had a mechanic who has on his mantelpiece at home an apprentice that left the trade, pieces of Astra, pieces of plastic, particularly in the door trims, that are designed to shear off. You can see there. Now, this switch is a $108 plus GST. And you can see here, it just pushes in. Now, mind you, that capacitor faces outwards towards us. So now it's your option whether you glue it. I would, if I did glue it, and I would successfully glue it, use a two-part type glue, stuff like that. But as you can see now, by loosening this cover, it just takes the stress off the positioning of this rubber, and I can then correctly position this rubber. If you want to do it without taking it off, that's fine. These are very fiddly over time. I remember these back things they break off. So you can see here where it locates. If you're going to go tampering with it, beware of the location of the rubber, and that these two parts fit behind here correctly. So you need two hands to do that. But yeah, very simple. So we're back. Okay, it feels really nice. Like, you know, feels really nice action. These can be a really good car, but this is when age gets to them and this sorts of stuff happens. This generally does happen well after 4 or 5 years, but I had them when they were just out of warranty. You could see the porosity of this part shows you that it was defective from day one. If they made planes like that, if Adam Opel made planes, they'd all fall out of the sky. Anyway, that's 2008 model, very simple. And very low cost of production for GM. Anyway, hope that helps. Bye.